Today, I'm showing you how to take a screenshot on your Android device using three different methods. Let's get started. Method 1. Button combination. The default method. The most common way is using buttons. Simply press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time for about 1 second. You'll see a flash on the screen and hear a camera sound. That means your screenshot was captured successfully. Method 2. Three-finger swipe tester. For this method, you need to enable it first. Go to your phone settings and search for Gestures. Tap on Screenshot Gestures or Quick Gestures depending on your device. Look for an option called Three-Finger Swipe or Swipe to Screenshot and enable it. Now, to take a screenshot, simply swipe down on the screen using three fingers at once. Your screenshot will be captured instantly. Method 3. Palm swipe for Samsung devices. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device, there's another option. Go to Settings, search for Gestures or Advanced Features, then find Palm Swipe to Capture and enable it. Once enabled, place the side of your palm on one edge of the screen and swipe across to the other side. Your screenshot is now captured. Viewing your screenshots. All screenshots are automatically saved to your Gallery or Photos app in the Screenshots folder. And that's it. You now know three different ways to take screenshots on your Android device. Choose whichever method works best for you.